You know, with that strong April sunshine and still some snow on the ground, makes for some pretty good conditions to head to the summit of Bristol Mountain, do some skiing. Some people doing just that today. Start out with sun, a lot of cold air upstairs in the atmosphere, met towering clouds, a little front moving on through, produced a couple of showers of rain, snow, even a little bit of graupel mixed in, but looks like those clouds are clearing up very nicely now. Earlier on, our high temperatures were only into the upper 30s and low 40s. Into the normal high for Rochester is 51 degrees. It is going to get a little bit more seasonable heading into Saturday, and temperatures might actually be above normal for the day on Sunday. There goes the front that I mentioned that brought some of those showers of rain, snow, in fact, even a little bit of limited lake effect kind of disrupted by that strong April sun. And now we look off to the north and west, and we see that the sky is clearing very nicely up there. So I'm pretty optimistic that we should have a clear sky for your Saturday morning, and I'm pretty confident, too, that the temperatures are going to take a big dip tonight. So here's your futurecast again, showing those clouds melting away. It is bright and brilliantly sunny for Saturday morning, and then heading into Saturday afternoon, a lot of high clouds are going to roll in. That's our next weather system that will come on by. The clouds will thicken in lower Saturday evening. Overnight, Saturday night, there'll be a couple of showers. There'll be a couple more showers for the day on Sunday as well. But notice they're kind of scattered and not widespread, so it's not going to be a washout for the day. However, the day will be breezy and a lot milder than what we'll have for your Saturday. So for tonight, it's starlit, the winds relax, it's cold, your low temperature at 24. Tomorrow, we start out with bright sunshine. It does cloud up into the afternoon, and that lake breeze will set up. So right along the water's edge of Lake Ontario, you're stuck in the upper 30s in the afternoon. We'll make it to 48 Rochester South. Your News 10 NBC 24-hour Weather Channel continues.